The old find equation of a line through 2 points. So this example is so important, it got its own video. What we're trying to do here is get a y equals mx plus b equation. First thing we're going to do is get the slope. So I chose, so you do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, giving us a slope of 13 over negative 11. That's gross. That's all right. We're big boys and girls. We can do fractions now. So I plug that in, and if I had the y-intercept, I'd be good to go, but I don't. So what do I got to do? I got to find the y-intercept. I'm going to do that by substituting in values from one of my points. So I chose this one here. I'm going to plug in the negative 8 for the x and the 4 for the y. And then doing so gives me this. All right, now I got to do that fraction multiplication. That's fine. All right, so negative times negative is positive. Then I get a 104 over 11. Now I'm going to subtract 104 over 11 from both sides. Now 4 minus 104 over 11. For those of you that forget, I got to get a common denominator. So 4 is really 44 over 11. So 44 over 11 divided by 104 over 11 is negative 60 over 11. And now I have my y-intercept. We're good to go. Just plug that bad boy right back in there, and we are done.